Basically, today I wanted to talk about a free open source program called W Commander. It is total replacement, but open source for Total Commander, or you can use this instead of Windows Explorer. Forgive me, I just was. And the reason why I started using this is because I discovered some interesting options and it doesn't crash like Windows Explorer. For example, when you copy files, so you don't have to open separate windows, but in Windows 11 you also have tabs, but you can use it in Windows 10 or Windows 11, so you don't have to open separate partitions. Because we have hard drive and we have main hard drive. Today I will show you some interesting options, how to enable vertical, horizontal lines, how to disable squares when you see file names. You don't have to have this. In configuration, I found option called columns, file views extra, columns, mm, file operations. Let me to think where this was because there are so many options. Sometimes it's not easy to find what you are looking for. In columns, we have vertical and horizontal lines. If you like to see this, you can enable this because I find it easier. If you don't like squares, you can see this. We can get rid of this, but I just try to find. Okay, show square brackets around the directories, so we can uncheck this. You can see we no longer have square brackets, but the only thing is, when I would like to change fonts. Okay, now we have got fonts. Or default, or I have to change this. I don't like bold. I would like to change this to italic. And what this font is like? I never used this. Oh, I like this. I have no idea how this font will look like. I didn't have any idea. Bogany and MK. Oh no, I don't like this. This looks already stylish. Uh, Bookman already style. This is one of my favorite fonts, and you can change. It's a little bit too big. Okay, let's change size to 9. And still too big. It's up to you how do you want to resize. There's also setting you can change size of the icon in Double Commander application. I never published a video tutorial about Double Commander in such many details. I didn't publish every detail about that. The reason is because they released the newest version. Let's check. Double Commander. It has very good review. They also released a new version of Double Commander. Uh, but I don't see. Okay, let's check the news because I believe the news will tell you more. I will save to portable format document. Change log. We can see change log because people report any errors and the developers fix errors. I didn't find any errors within application. But I use this, it seems to be stable. I could actually show to you. When you click that arrow, we can click that drive. This is my external drive. I will click folder application 2022. Let's copy one of the files. You by left mouse button you drag here. You see how fast it went? Okay, I could actually check. Let me to check some of the necessary files. Drag by left mouse button. You can even pause. You can skip all if you have the same file. You can pause the operation like in Windows. I would like to check how this will work with files, with so many small files. Let's copy Blender 4.3 release candidate from 6th of December. Okay, you can drag here. Because we also have lots of separate files. I want to see how new version copes with small files, because I unpacked version of Blender. It's not too bad actually. It's not too bad. Oh, I forgotten to show to you how to resize wing icons of the total of the double commander icons, because there is option that you can resize application icons options. We also have drag and drop option. Show confirmation dialog after drop. Okay, it's not the most important what I'm searching for. This is size for this. I believe this will be bigger. Let's check. Or it's slightly bigger top bar, but I have to find where the option for icon was. Toolbar extra, toolbar middle. It's not what I was looking for. Icons, I found. Finally, I found the icons settings. You can see they are slightly bigger. Okay, I will resize once again. I need bigger because I have 4K resolution monitor, 32-inch 4K Samsung monitor. But this works pretty well with 4K resolution monitor. Favorite tabs. We also have favorite tabs, but I never was using this option. Oh, this is quite interesting. I have to check this because I never used it, this option. Custom columns. What we got here? That's interesting. Can I change it here? I don't know. I wouldn't change this, but I definitely want to check how does this option work. Oh, actually, if you go to custom columns, you can still you can still edit some settings here. This program seems to be a lot better fonts. I showed you before. Oh, what is this? I have to check this option. I changed the font to Bookman style. This is my favorite font people, Bookman old style. Now, almost everywhere, I have my favorite font, and this I also have to change to my favorite font. The thing is, I have to change, I have to check where I can save my custom settings, people, in case you install Windows operating system once again. Do they have, do they have that option? Configuration, save settings. You can also save settings. Options. The one downside is configuration. Oh, I see location of configuration files. Oh wow, this is quite interesting. I have no idea about that. Uh, Maybe I will use program directory, but I cannot really do that unfortunately. Let's check because I'm interested in because in the desktop I have application data, uh, roaming double commander. I think I try to find there are multiple files like this. I think this is CFG file, but I'm not sure. I will copy this just in case. It could be necessary if you want to install a program and you don't want to change settings from the beginning. Okay, let's call this folder custom settings. Your own settings which you applied towards the application. 7-zip, add to archive. Just in case, if you add to archive, your files will not get corrupted. Okay, I hope you like my video tutorial. Oh no, this is slightly too big. I didn't expect to see like this. Oh no, I'm not happy. Oh no, I'm not happy because of this. Custom columns. Because this applies to size of the columns. I completely forgotten. That one did not have anything to do with fonts. You configure how big your columns will be. I completely forgotten. But I still have to change some custom settings. Oh no, how can I change this now? Mm, there are so many options, people, that you can get lost. Okay, window text. I can't really find where I was. I don't want to delete it. I don't want to change this. I'm just thinking if I should go. Oh, I will decrease a little bit size of this. That is not too bad. I like. But even if I would like to uh, delete, even if I would like to change some settings and restore to default settings, it may take a while before you configure application to your needs. But I think I find it vector, but I just have to check fonts. Okay, fonts. It seems to be too small. Well, I find it okay. It's not too bad. Let's check how application will behave. Okay, I have to copy one of the files. Blender for artists. Only that dialog window doesn't have custom icons and I don't know why. But apart from that, I like application because there are so many settings that you can uh, change. It's up to you how do you want to change settings, or you also have configure custom columns. I knew nothing about that. Okay, I just wanted to do some modification. Frame cursor? What is this? I never was using this before. I wonder if I can get rid of this. It's a little bit strange because anything what you want to change, you just have to get used to. Because it's completely different how they want to operate within program. I just was thinking that I could change this. Uh, mm. Yes, actually, you can do that. You can still do that. You can even still change some settings, so you don't have to see those selected. But as you can see, I changed the settings of my program. It looks much nicer. I hope you like my video tutorial. Sorry for my English. I originally come from Poland.